in here I have what do you call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 baby new potatoes. They're from Bangladesh, imported from Bangladesh. I got them from Pasar Mini UCAS, my local kedai runcit Bangla. So I've put them in this pot with as little water as possible, just enough to cover them. And the induction cooker is on water mode, as you can see there, water mode. And it takes 20 minutes altogether, so it's got 18 minutes to go, and it will switch itself off automatically. So now after 2 minutes or so, they're beginning to have some tiny bubbles coming up. I'm going to close this now because it will cook better closed. And also a tip I got is if you want your vegetables, especially potatoes, cook well from the inside, put them in the pot with cool water, not boiling water, and bring them to the boil. Then they will cook more evenly. Otherwise the outside get cooked and the insides remain uncooked or undercooked. Okay, unless you want vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower to be a bit crunchy, then you put boiling water, because those are vegetables you can eat raw anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's not cooked and remains crunchy on the inside. Okay, these are the boiled new potatoes. I ate one, I'm having another now. They make a wonderful snack. Even though I boiled them without salt, they're nice to eat. And they're much healthier than eating fries or chips, you know. So have them handy, boil some up, let them dry, and then leave them around, and then you can snack on them. Or you can cut them up and have it with my pineapple and tomato salsa, and you can make a meal out of it. This is so lovely, I can't stop munching on them. So very simple meal. All you need are potatoes and water, and you don't even have to put salt. It's really quite nice actually. I've had 2 bites out of this. So when I buy these new potatoes, I try to buy the smallest I could find, because they cook faster, and then they're not too heavy for a snack. Okay, I had 9 earlier, now I have 6 left, so I ate 3 already.